Hello and welcome to KSG Explainer. Night trial of nuclear-capable Prithvi 2 missile. India on October 16, 2020 successfully conducted a night trial of the indigenously developed nuclear-capable Prithvi 2 missile as part of a user trial by the Army from a test range in Odisha. The state-of-the-art surface-to-surface missile blasted off around 7:30 p.m. from Launch Complex 3 of the Integrated Test Range at the Chandipur near Balasore, and the trial was successful. The last trial of Prithvi 2 carried out after sunset on September 23rd from the same base was also successful. The trial of the missile, which has a strike range of 350 kilometers, was carried out from a mobile launcher, a defense research and development official said. The missile trajectory was tracked by radars, electro-optical tracking systems, and telemetry stations by the DRDO along the coast of Odisha. The missile was randomly chosen for the production stock, and the entire launch activity was carried out by the Strategic Force Command of the Army and monitored by scientists of the DRDO as part of a training exercise. The downrange teams on board a ship deployed near the designated impact point in the Bay of Bengal monitored the terminal events and splashdown. The Prithvi 2 missile is capable of carrying 500 to 1000 of kilograms of warheads and is powered by liquid propulsion twin engines. The sophisticated missile uses an advanced inertial guidance system with a maneuvering trajectory to hit its target. Already inducted into the Armory of Indian Defence Forces in 2003, the 9-meter-tall Prithvi was the first missile to have been developed by DRDO under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, IGMDP. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you so very much for watching KSGindia.com. The entire channel is based on the studies of UPSC examination. Thank you so very much. Stay tuned.